This thumbnail looks like it was made by a full-time editor using Photoshop, Lightroom, and 5 hours of work. Right? I recreated it in under 60 seconds with no design skills and no software. Just one tool and a little AI magic. The tool I used is called myaithumbnail.com. It literally lets you recreate any YouTube thumbnail just by uploading a screenshot or pasting the YouTube video's link and typing a few words. Let me show you how I recreated this Iman Gadzhi thumbnail step by step. First, I copied Iman Gadzhi's YouTube videos link. Then I used the recreate thumbnail feature. Super simple. You don't need to touch a single layer or adjust brightness or contrast manually. I gave it a short change the text from 10K to 100K. You can give anything over here according to your needs. You can even add your face into a thumbnail, recreate a viral video look, or reverse engineer your favorite creator's style. Let me add Andrew Garfield's face over here. Then click on generate. The AI processed it, and in less than a minute, boom, here's what I created. Look at that. No Photoshop, no design degree, just a few clicks. If you told me this was your actual thumbnail, I would believe it. You're not limited to Iman. You can recreate thumbnails like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdul, Alex Homozy, or generate something from scratch using just your video's title. So if you're a YouTuber and thumbnails are slowing you down, try myaithumbnail.com. It's free to test, and if you want me to recreate your thumbnail using AI, drop a link in the comments and I might do it in the next video.